What if I told you that right now, at this very second, thousands of people around the world are making money from their phone, their laptops, and even from their bed? Some are trading currencies, some are trading gold, some are trading cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. And most of them started exactly where you are right now, which is knowing absolutely nothing. Welcome. Today I'm going to show you step by step on how to start trading on MetaTrader 5 using NordFX, one of the most trusted multi-asset brokers in the world, with over 1.8 million clients across 188 countries. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to open an account, download the platform, and place your first trade and position yourself to profit from any market, anywhere around the world. So one thing I want you to do right now is to stay with me. This is the video that changes everything. So why not FX, you may ask? Before we dive in, let me quickly tell you why not FX, because this matters more than you think. NordFX was founded in the year 2008. That's over 16 years of operating financial markets. They have more than 1.8 million clients around 188 countries. They have won over 90 professional awards, including Best Broker, Best Crypto Broker, Most Reliable Broker, year after year. They are multi-regulated trading platform, which means your money is not in someone's garage operation. Your funds are protected by the same standards as a bank. And here's what makes this even more interesting for beginners. You can start with as little as $10, not 1,000. Not 500, $10. You can trade Forex, you can trade cryptocurrencies, you can trade stocks, you can trade gold, you can trade oil, indices, and all from one single platform, MetaTrader 5. Now, let me show you. So let me just take you through how to open and set up your own account. The first step is to open your NordFX account, NordFX trading account, and I promise you this is one of the simplest things you can ever do online. It takes about 3 minutes to just finish up. Here's exactly what we are going to do. First thing, we're going to open our NordFX account, followed by setting up the account with our account details, the necessary verification, which doesn't take much time. Then next, we're going to proceed to open our MetaTrader 5 account within the NordFX. Then we proceed to deposit and start trading to see how it works. To get started with, I've provided the link in the description of this video. Go to the website just the way you are seeing right here, and then click on or open an account or try a demo account. Now provide your details such as your name, your first name, your last name, your email address, then the country of origin. In my own case, I have to choose Nigeria because I'm currently in Nigeria. Then phone number. This phone number has to be the correct one because you need it later in the process of creating this account. Now you enter your password, the correct password. Now creating password, you need a strong password, so you make sure you enter it correctly, then click on create an account. Now it will prompt you to save the app on your phone, which you see I did right there. Then go to your email, confirm the email that was sent to you. Now this email confirmation is very important. It makes your account registered fully. Then after confirming the email, then congratulations, you successfully opened a NordFX account. Next thing we have to do now is to log in to continue the registration process. Now once you log in, I need to introduce you to this dashboard, which is a very simple, sweet interface. Now you have a trading account right there. That's the first thing you're seeing there, that has your account information like your demo. Then we have wallet, we have deposit, withdrawal, transaction history, partner program, trading platform, support, verification, trading, social trading, loyalty program, and security. Now the next thing we want to do is what you are seeing on the left panel is just the same thing that we've just listed out right here. Now the next thing we want to do is to click on the verification to verify our phone number. Now the same phone number we provided, a code will be sent to that phone number. All we need to do is to input the code right here, and the phone number is verified. After which we'll be redirected to verify our address, where you're going to put in your address, like your house address details, postal code details, and then after which you'll be prompted to verify your ID. Now the good thing with this platform is that they accept most of the IDs that is available in Nigeria, they don't select ID. So for instance, your voters card goes, your voters card goes, your passport goes, that's your immigration passport goes, your NIN slip goes, your NIN ID card goes, your driving license goes. So major IDs that are acceptable within the Nigerian horizon is also acceptable right here. So you provide that to verify your identity. Okay, this is a financial institution, so identity verification is very important. So now you can see me providing my house address details and postal code, just like I've just told you guys. Here are the details I just mentioned. Then once you verify, congratulations, you've done the basic verification. You now have a NordFX trading account. The next thing we want to do is click on trading account. Now on trading account, you can see trading account and demo. Now once you click on trading account, click on MT5. MetaTrader 5, there are two types of account within MetaTrader 5, MT5 Zero and MT5 Pro. Now I want to use the MT5 Pro because of the minimum deposit I'm seeing right there. So we're going to continue by clicking on MT5 Pro account. So now on the MT5 Pro account, here are the details that you need to provide. Now the account is in USD. The leverage type, I've chose 100. Just something simple. Then you need to enter password. This password you're entering here, you're creating a password for the MT5 application because NordFX is a client to MT5. So you need to provide a new password right here, different from your NordFX password. But if you decide to use the same password, that's fine. You need to also provide investor password just in case you want to share your account details with maybe potential investor or someone that needs to see it. Now the next thing you have to do for you to be able to create an account here is you have to make sure that you choose a leverage amount right there, so you can click on open an account. Now you can see we've successfully created an account. Now that we've successfully created an account, here are our login details right there. Now the next thing we want to do now is to click on demo to create demo account, MT5 as well, and choose any one of the account type. Now the good thing with this platform is any of the account type you choose, like for instance now let's say we decide to create, let's say on MT5 Pro and MT5 Zero, any one of them we can always create the demo version and see how they feel like. Now you just enter your normal details just like done in the real account, and boom, we've created an account. So we can see we have trading account, which is real account, and then we also have demo account, which is a demo account. Archive is when we want to get rid of any one of the account, we can just put it to archive and create new one. Now to log in, go to MT5 or download it from your Play Store, click on account, then go to Nord, search NordFX, then enter the details that was given, that's the number that was given, and enter your password, and we are in. Just this way we are in. So now we are in. You can see what we are currently looking at right here. Look at our balance right there. So the initial demo balance is about $10,000, but I added extra $1,500 just to see how it feels. Now to log into the real account, we need to come back to our NordFX account, copy the trading account details right there, come here, click on manage account, click on the plus sign, search NordFX, click on it, and then enter our account details, the number and the password, and we'll be able to log in just the same way we logged into the demo. Here, different markets is provided here, such as commodities, cryptocurrency, forex, indices, and stock. So within these symbols, there are so many assets that we can trade right there. So on the forex group, you can see different forex pairs actually available right here. So now we can choose any pair that we want. Let's say we want to trade gold. Now we're going to start by searching XAUSD and then click enable, and then gold asset to be enabled. If you scroll to the bottom of the page, you will see gold. Open the chart and then apply this gold strategy. So first of all, we're going to go to higher time frame like H4 right now, and then we determine the overall trend. Is it a bullish trend or a bearish trend? Then after which we're going to determine if we are going to determine the support position and also determine the resistance position. Now, after taking cognizance of these two things, then we can now decide on an entry that we want to make. Now, when you're making an entry, you need to make an entry in lower time frame, like in 1 minute time frame. So now we are looking at it in higher time frame right there. I've just determined the resistance right here on this chart here, and then I can also see the support in this higher time frame. Now the next thing I want to do right now is to enter a trade in 1 minute time frame, and I'm using the minimum lot size because this is a tutorial. First time when you enter a trade, you need to accept that. You need to accept the terms and conditions, which we've just done right there, and boom, we've placed a trade. So now after accepting the terms and conditions, you need to click on buy, and boom, we've bought. Now then I need to set the TP. You can see where I set TP. This is still within 1 minute time frame. You can see my TP right there. If this TP hits, I'm going to make just about $3.31. Yeah, I've set my TP. Now I can go ahead to enter as many trades as I can on this platform while I watch it progress. Now this is a demo account, so feel free to be comfortable, try out as much as you can to maximize the demo account, and then you're able to feel how the market reacts when you are also trading on a real account. You can open more position to see how it works. You can try out more assets to see how they actually work. You can see my take profit just got hit. You can see I have my $3.76 right there. So I can go ahead to open multiple position and show you guys the result of it. So I'm going to go ahead to place as many trades as I can right there, just simply, and place, and then taking profit, place a little, take more profit, place a little, take more profit, and before you know it, we've made some good money already. Okay, then don't always be afraid to put SL as well, or to cut your losses just the same way I've done right there. You can see I took SL of 2 trades and about 7 or 10 trades in profit. So now let's go back to our account right here. Now on this account, we need to talk about the deposit. This platform allows you to deposit with cryptocurrency like USDT and Bitcoin. USDT of different chain. You can see all you need to do is to click on deposit and then choose the chain that you want to deposit. That is the network you want to deposit the USDT on. You can see TRC20, BP20, ERC20 USDT can be deposited here, and you can deposit as low as $5. The moment you enter the amount and you click on deposit, an address will be provided for you where you will send the particular cryptocurrency to, and make sure you always send crypto on the right network to whatever address that is provided for you. Now same thing with the withdrawal. While withdrawing, you can also withdraw into cryptocurrency, and most of this, the deposit is instant, withdrawal is also fast. So if you're withdrawing, you just need to go to your Trust wallet or whatever. Even I recommend withdrawing into a wallet. Now copy the address, like for me I'm using TRC address, paste it on this platform, and then you'll be able to successfully withdraw your coin into that particular address, or your trading profit into that particular address. Now here are the features that give you an edge on NordFX. Let me tell you about 3 features inside NordFX that I find fascinating, that most beginners never discover, but that top trader uses every single day. Now the first thing is the social trading features. If you're not ready to trade alone yet, NordFX social trading feature allows you to connect your account to professional traders. Their trades automatically copy into your own account, into your own real account in real time. You can earn money while they do the work. No deep market knowledge is required in this aspect. And the next one, the second feature, is the passive income on your balance. Now here's something almost no other brokers offer. NordFX pays you about 3.8% interest per annum on your free margin. Your money is working for you even when you are not trading. That is a feature of a bank built into a trading platform. Now the third feature that you don't want to miss out on right here now is that For those who want to go deeper, MT5 support expert advisors. These are automated trading bots that trade for you, following rules you set. You can run strategies around the clock, 24 hours a day, without sitting at the screen. So with all that we've said in this video, let's bring this together. You now know how to open a NordFX account. You know how to set up MetaTrader 5 account. You know how to read a chart, place a trade, manage your risks, and even how to earn passively without active trading. The question is, what do you do next? Here's what I want you to do next. What I want you to do right now. Go to NordFX, the link, go to NordFX. I have provided the link in the description of this video. Open a free demo account. Proceed to upgrade to real account. Practice everything I showed you today without risking a single real dollar. Get comfortable, get confident. Then, when you are ready, fund your account with as little as $10 and go live. Remember, 1.8 million people from different countries, about 188 countries, have already made the same decision. They all started where you are right now. So let me see you trade with NordFX today. If you have any further question, further concern, drop it in the comment section, and then I'll be glad to attend to you.